Yo, what's up? DJ L-Spade here. This is the first time I ever seen a 24-hour hot vending machine. So I'm not even hungry, but I'm gonna try this joint out. So we're gonna get the chicken and potatoes. Chicken and potato. Bam. Put my money in there. And we're gonna try this joint out. Okay, we gotta wait up 125 seconds for this joint to come out. Or we do that, we're gonna get my change. You gotta have that change. I mean, change is good. Okay, we got 100 seconds, around 100 seconds left till we get our chicken and potato. So, not only do I get chicken for $3.70, I get French fries with that junk. Now, how do I think it's gonna taste? Like garbage. However, I'm willing to give it a try because I'm an open-minded person, and this is in a vending machine. But you ask me personally what I think, garbage. While we doing that, man, why don't we get some coffee for the next vending machine because we got like a minute left. You know, I'm going with the mocha. $2.50, good lord, that's a lot of money. But we're gonna roll with the mocha. I'm gonna get it black. Yeah, we're gonna get it black. Strong, the way God intended it. Alright, we got 60 seconds for that. We got like 41 seconds for this. So this will actually be a vending machine meal. $2.50 for the coffee, $3.70 for the chicken and potatoes. You do the math on that. Y'all not gonna embarrass me. My math skills ain't that good. However, whatever that calculates to, that's the whole meal out of the vending machine today. 15 seconds for my chicken and potato, and around 30 seconds for my kiape. I'm not gonna lie, guys, I'm kinda excited to see how this tastes. Oh, game time. Oh, guys, look. Oh shit, it's hot. Pardon the language, I know it's a family show. It comes in this nice little box, it's hot. Chicken and potato, we're gonna open this joint up. Ah. Alright. Kinda TV dinner-ish. Ah, shit. So, this is it, guys. I'm gonna try this French fry. Tony, try one with me, dog, so you can see how it tastes too. So they won't say I'm lying. Oh man, this feels like rubber. Oh shit. It's hot, man. Yeah. What you got, man? How you got?
No, I'm good, thanks. Enjoy the TV dinner.
Alright, man. I'm gonna be honest, man. These fries taste like rubber, and this chicken tastes like greasy frozen garbage. But hey, guys, we tried something new. Vending machine chicken. It tastes just like you think it does, guys. Like, yeah.